abun, abun, father, father, ummun, mother, mother, ibnun, ibn, son, son, bintun, bintun, bint, daughter, daughter, akhun, akhun, brother, brother, ukhtun, ukht, sister, sister, jaddun, jadd, grandfather, grandfather, jaddatun, jaddah, grandmother, grandmother, hafidun, hafid, grandson, grandson, hafidatun, hafidah, granddaughter, granddaughter, ammun, am, uncle, uncle, khalun, khalun, uncle, uncle, amma, amma, aunt, aunt, ibnul am, ibnul ammi, cousin, cousin, ibnul ammi, cousin, cousin, ibnul khali, ibnul khali, cousin, cousin, bintul ammi, bintul am, cousin, cousin, bintul khali, bintul khali, cousin, cousin, ibnul akh, ibnul akh, nephew, nephew, ibnul ukh, ibnul ukh, nephew, nephew, ibnatul akh, ibnatul akh, niece, niece, ibnatul ukhti, ibnatul ukht, niece, niece, zawjun, zawj, husband, husband, zawjatun, zawja, wife, wife, hamwun, hamwun, father-in-law, father-in-law, hamatun, hamat, mother-in-law, mother-in-law, zawjul ibna, zawjul ibna, son-in-law, son-in-law, zawjatul ibn, zawjatul ibn, daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law, akhuz zawj, akhuz zawj, brother-in-law, brother-in-law, akhuz zawja, akhuz zawja, brother-in-law, brother-in-law, ukhtuz zawj, ukhtuz zawj, sister-in-law, sister-in-law, zawjul ummi, zawjul stepfather, stepfather, zawjatul ab, zawjatul ab, stepmother, stepmother, akhun ghayra shaqiq, akhun ghayra shaqiq, stepbrother, stepbrother,